What's up guys, sa video ito we're gonna cover a tutorial on how to do this thumbnail, which is Honda Beast inspired thumbnail. Sa mga gustong matuto guys, watch the full video para matuto kayo, and let's get into the video. So first thing, let's create a new file, which is here. The width is going to be 1280 and the height should be 720. It should be transparent guys. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open a new tab and search for the hero that you're gonna use, which is in my case Akai's Starlight. Once na-download nyo na guys, open it here and there you go. That's how you do it. If you don't know how to duplicate it guys, right click the layer. Once you right click that, duplicate layer and go to the documents, go to the untitled 2. Okay guys, untitled 2 yan. So that's basically it. Let's X the download para di masikip yung tabs natin dito sa Photoshop. X that. So once we're done with that, use the Marig tool. Ito yung triangle. I mean square. So the next thing is resize that and capture the this one guys. Capture na lang yan guys. Liking nyo, ito yung gusto kong makapture. It's basically like a cut button or a cut tool. Ganyan guys. Let's resize it. Now this is going to be a tip for you guys. So as you can see, if we don't use shift, it's going to look like shit guys. It's going to look like this. So yung gagamitin you guys is once you do that, use shift and then drag. So yeah, let's just readjust it, to our liking obviously. So once you're done with that, this is where we put our screenshot or the glimpse of our gameplay. So the gameplay that we're gonna use is Honda Beasts. There we go. We're gonna use the Marig tool and the same concept on the Akai guys. Capture natin yung gusto nating capture. Once again, we're gonna resize it. If you don't know how to resize guys, it's going to be Ctrl P. Ganyan. Once you're done with that, apply and then put it on back of the Akai. Resize na naman natin guys. Ganyan, drag na lang. Once that's done, let's drag it again sa gusto natin guys. So once you're done with that, what you're gonna do is kung natin yung na screenshot natin guys, and then click filter, then go to blur and Gaussian blur. So it's usually around 5.5. Now it depends on you guys kung gaano ka blur yung gusto niyo. So this is the blurriness that I want, and let's just go for that. Okay, and then we're gonna do yung dark box, yung color black na box yung gagawin natin guys. Click yung rectangle tool or yan. Once you're done with that, let's just drag that, ganyan. Click that and then go for black. Click that double arrow and then rasterize natin guys. Once you rasterize that, lower the opacity. You could do this manually guys by clicking that or just dragging it to left to right. Okay, now this is usually around 50 guys, but this depends on how dark you want it. So if you want it darker, then go for a higher opacity. For a lighter one, go for a lower one. Let's click on the text tool, and the fonts that you're gonna use are, it's either the lemon milk or the big noodle titling guys. That depends on you. These are the fonts that are ano tawag na ito? Pwede. Yung pwede natin gamitan, guys. Sorry sa Tagalog ko. So, we're gonna put here how to use Akai in early game as an example, okay? Now, if you want to use big noodle, ganyan yun, guys. I see on the beast use that sometimes, pero the tawag na ito, the most frequent one that I've seen, I think the most similar one is the lemon. So let's go back to the lemon. Ganyan, resize na lang natin, guys. If you don't know how to resize, it's Control T, and of course you have to shift para hindi ma-distort yan. So if you want to highlight the important words, this is how you do it, guys. Click the text tool, and then once you're done with that, right click, left click, right left click, guys, left clicking yan, guys, and then drag. There you go. Once you're done with that, you could change the color. Click the color and then go for this. You could also copy the presets that I have, which is yellow naman. Okay, and there you go. This is useful because it clarifies, and as well as parang hina-highlight nila yung important message ng thumbnail. Ganyan lang, guys. So let's put it down. If you don't know how to do that, just use control or CTRL, click the text and yung color black, guys, yung background niya. Ganyan lang, guys. See? Let me do that again. Control, there, drag it. You can drag it. Ganyan, resize na lang natin, guys. Gusto natin, diba? Okay. So there we go. So parang off na off yung font. So yan. Once we're done with that, we could do the ano tawag na, yung border, yung rainbow na border. So the first thing is you're gonna click the Akai Starlight and also the screenshot na ginawa natin kanina. Yan, click the Akai and then of course use control and then click the screenshot, yung screenshot, guys. Ganyan, para maging ganyan, and then control J. So if you're gonna put that there, merge layer, once you've done the control J, guys, is right click nyo then merge layer, ganun. And if you're gonna be worried na nawala yung text, it's normal. You could also unsee and see that by clicking that button. So let's use the merge tool. So ganyan na lang yan, guys. So go to the corner of the left or the right, it depends on you, but I usually go to the left top corner. So ganyan. So if you see this pink line, that means it's going good. It's nag-a-align yan, guys. That means nag-a-align yan. So just be careful na maganyan yan, guys. So 'di ba? Hanggang sa maging cross yan, guys, 'di ba dun? So yan, magiging cross na yan, guys. If it crosses, then that's perfect, no? Ganyan. And then once you're done with that, you could click once you're done with that, you could click ano tawag na, click there and then backspace. Okay, backspace. Once you're done there, use natin yung lasso tool, click natin and click here para mawala yung lines, guys. So this is the border. If yan yung kinat natin, gamit yung Merge tool. Yan yung border. So This is what we cut using the Marik tool. So next thing is right click, then blending options, and then go to gradient overlay. Now this is going to be it's either go to linear or angle, guys. So I personally go for angle kasi I like it. So let's just go to our liking. So gusto nating angle, ganyan ang guys. It's all trial and error, guys. So yan na nga, guys. This is the simple way. So we could also put a CC or a filter na pwede natin ilagay para mas maangas pa tong tignan, diba? But this is also optional, and you could also put filters naman din, diba? So let's put a filter. Eto, this is the first one that I use. Right click and then right click and then duplicate group, document, and dun tayo sa untitled 2, which is the okay. Yan, as you can see, mas maangas na tignan, guys. And yun na nga, guys. So this is the finished product. So guys, I have a clarification sa pag-pronounce ko ng Marok tool. So it's Marky tool pala, guys. Sorry. And I cannot change it kasi ang tawag na ito, it's very hard to speak Tagalog and as well as English, diba, guys? So please enjoy the video and stay safe.